This is JBL CLIP 4. It is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker that is used in many places by many people, that is trusted and give you a best music, and it is good and affordable, and it has excellent design from JBL by Harman. So we can see it inside, but let's unbox it. The advantage of this JBL CLIP 4, it has 10 hours lifetime of playing music. You can play for 10 hours from morning up to maybe 4 p.m. at the noon. So this is the best, I think. Yeah, anyone can afford this. It is very affordable. So let's see what is inside and see the unbox, how it is rated. Yo. You can pull here. Wow. Do you see this, man? We have a guide. Here we have a guide. We have quick start guide, and we have this reference insurance by Harman. So yeah, the unbox of this product, I gonna rate it 81 out of 10. So we're gonna take our Bluetooth speaker. As you see, this is the speaker that I'm talking about, the CLIP 4. I thought the meaning of produce this thing and name it the CLIP 4 is that you can clip on any place that you are going. Maybe you can clip at the hand, and it have like a key holder here. You can clip on your, maybe your shirt here, playing some music. Dun, 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 dun. I can't use music just because I don't have any insurance to use that. And it has a power button here, and it has a Bluetooth button here, so you can connect it on the Bluetooth. This thing has a limit, but you cannot use a flash disk or SD card to play some music, and it's very small, and you can carry it like iPhone SE 2. So I wish we were gonna test the music, but due to copyrights and other things, so I cannot test the music. So we can turn it on and see how it is sound. Wow. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. But one thing I can't forget with this device, it has a USB charging port, so you can charge with a USB port at any value in any place. There are the many colors. We have purple and yellow, we have red, we have pinky, and many more. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on the social media below or down. Click in the comments, and see you on the next one.